Hello, boys and girls. For today, let's make a Christmas tree. Okay? Let's make a Christmas tree. We are going to need paper, colored pencils, and scissors. Okay? So, the first thing you are going to do, get your paper and fold in half. Fold in half. Okay? Okay, but keep it folded. Okay? Now, get a pencil. I prefer to... And on the side where it's folded, we are going to start our tree. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so your tree should look like this. Okay, and look, when we open, there's nothing on the other side. Nothing on the other side. Now, get your scissors and cut. One more cut and we are finished. Now look. Your Christmas tree should look like this. Your Christmas tree should look like this. Very nice. First thing, get your brown pencil. Get your brown pencil. And let's color the trunk. Let's color the trunk brown. Where is my brown? Here's my brown. Let's color the trunk brown. So this is the trunk. Make it brown. Okay, nice and brown. Excellent. Oh, we have a brown trunk here. Next thing we can do is put Christmas lights. Oh, I decorated my tree with lights. Oh, a lot of colors. Make little balls that go all the way down your tree. You could also put them in different places. Okay, and one more thing, I put candy canes. These are candy canes. Okay? What is a candy cane? É aquela bala que é bem tradicional no Natal. Em inglês chama candy cane, ou seja, a bengala doce. Okay? When you are finished decorating your tree, get a light green and you can color your tree light green. Okay, so your tree will look like this, and then it will look like this when you are finished. Okay, guys, so that is our activity for today. Take a picture of your tree and send on class app to teacher, okay? Because I want to see your Christmas trees. Okay, guys? So, big hug and goodbye.